The Realme P4x 5G is a compelling value-for-money mid-range smartphone excelling in battery life, display quality, and performance for its price segment. It is particularly ideal for users who prioritize longevity and a smooth viewing or gaming experience, though it makes some compromises on camera quality and has a bulkier build due to its large battery. Here are the pros, cons, special features and an overall conclusion of this phone. 4 pros. Massive battery life. The phone's standout feature is its colossal 7,000 mAh Titan battery, which ensures multiple days of use for an average user or a full day of heavy gaming and media consumption. Smooth display. It features a large 6.72-inch Full HD Plus LCD display with an ultra-smooth 144 Hz refresh rate and 1000 nits peak brightness, making scrolling and gaming exceptionally fluid and visible even outdoors. Strong performance. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7400 Ultra 5G chipset, the device handles multitasking, demanding games, and daily tasks without significant lag. It also includes a VC, vapor chamber, cooling system to manage thermals. Value for money. The P4x is aggressively priced in the mid-range segment, offering a strong set of features typically found in more expensive phones. 4 cons. Camera quality. While the 50MP main camera is capable for everyday shots, the dual camera setup, main plus 2MP mono sensor, is less versatile, and the 8MP front camera is considered basic. It may not meet the expectations of users prioritizing professional-level photography. Display type. The phone uses an LCD panel instead of an AMOLED screen, meaning blacks and contrast are not as deep or vibrant as those found in some competing models. Size and weight. Due to the large battery and screen size, the phone is somewhat bulky and heavy, around 284 g, which might not appeal to users preferring compact devices. Charging speeds. While 45W fast charging is decent for a mid-range phone, some rivals offer faster 65W plus options. For special features. Segment-leading performance. The combination of the powerful Dimensity 7400 Ultra 5G chipset and fast UFS 3.1 storage delivers a snappy user experience and excellent gaming capabilities, supporting up to 90 FPS on games like BGMI. Massive battery endurance. The 7,000 mAh Titan battery is one of the largest in its segment, providing exceptional multi-day battery life for casual use. Advanced cooling. The inclusion of a large 5300 mm Superscript 2 VC Frostcore cooling system is a key feature in this price range, ensuring sustained performance and minimal overheating during heavy gaming or charging. Bypass charging, a gaming-centric feature that allows power to bypass the battery and go directly to the motherboard while plugged in, reducing heat buildup and preserving battery health. High refresh rate display. A 144 Hz refresh rate provides a very smooth scrolling and gaming experience. Durability focus. The phone features an IP64 rating for splash resistance and is military-grade certified for enhanced drop resistance, which is not typical for a performance-focused mid-ranger. Overall conclusion. The Realme P4x is specifically engineered for users who prioritize raw performance, battery life, and a smooth gaming experience above all else in the mid-range segment. It delivers on its promises with the powerful Dimensity 7400 Ultra, lightning-fast UFS 3.1 storage, and the class-leading 7,000 mAh battery. The advanced VC cooling and gaming-specific features like bypass charging give it a significant edge for power users and mobile gamers. However, the major trade-off is the display technology. Choosing an LCD panel over AMOLED/OLED is a compromise that affects the overall visual quality, particularly color vibrancy and contrast. If a vibrant, high-contrast screen is your top priority, you might be better served by a competitor with an AMOLED display. Similarly, if photography is crucial, the average camera setup will be a drawback. In short, it is the performance and endurance champion for its price, making it an excellent choice for a gamer or a heavy user, provided you can overlook the use of an LCD screen and the average camera performance.